I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop today, man. We out here finna do this Toyota Sienna. We about to go ahead and knock it out. Not a detail, just a basic. It's a little dirty inside, but still just a little basic. But we got all the equipment out. We got the generator, the buckets, the mats. You know, we always got to take these mats out, stuff like that. Got the all-purpose. Got my brushes I need. But you know, she just gonna go in here and just do a basic. Go ahead and vacuum it up, spruce it up, wipe down these doors, the seats, things like that. Wipe down all the little plastic. You know what I mean? Get into these cup holders, stuff like that. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Get the car looking good, up to par, make her happy. You know, this is her second time using my services. This is one of my good customer sisters. I'm happy she used my services. Last time we did her car and like 2 other her friends' cars. But this has been a great day, been a great weekend. So we're gonna continue to have a great day. Give me one moment, my phone ringing. Well, my phone ringing and all it is bills collectors calling me. They want their money, man. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and continue this work, man. Like I said, we'll work on the interior first, knock out this exterior. Then we got another car to do today, and we're gonna continue the day to go. But been blessed up, man. I'm feeling great. Just trying to get myself back in the motions, and you know how that go, man. But like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. It took us 2 hours to get the car done, but we got the car completely done. Like, it's done. You see the car, you see the wheels got the shine. You know what I mean? We got the car nice and clean, windows nice and done. You know what I mean? Wipe down the seats. I mean, we did everything, man. We got the car looking good. You remember what it looked like prior to, man. So, we got the car looking good. The call to let her know so we can go ahead and get paid. But interior look good. We can just go do the interior of one car. You know, we done for the day. So, it's a light Monday. But you already know how that go, man. We take so much pride in what we do over here, man. So on that note, man, take pride in whatever you do, man. I mean, if you're having a hard day, meditate, think, sit back, and try to analyze what it is that's holding you back. And we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world. Today we just gonna be doing the interior of this Mazda, man. We just gonna focus on this interior. We got a lot of dog hair. That's mostly what she focused on. I think she got like 2 dogs, so I got a lot of dog hair. Got a lot of dog prints on the seats and the doors and things like that. She want me to do the inside windows, but we'll knock this out. It ain't gonna take too long. But if you see it, dog hair here, so it's in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man, and we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right. Detail world. We got the interior of the car done. Like I said, we just doing the interior of the car, but you know what I mean? We got everything definitely clean inside of here. You remember the cup holders was pretty dirty. Had all the hay and debris over here, so we definitely got it done. Remember the seats had all the marks on them from mud from the dog and stuff like that, and had dog hair. Hold on, my bad, y'all. It literally had dog hair everywhere in the back, so yeah, we got it all done, man. But we about to go ahead and call her so she come out here and get her car and do that. But the interior of the car came out fine. Only thing that got dog hair on it is this shirt that she had in the car. But yeah, we about to go ahead and let her know we done, and then head home. I'm gonna wash my van today. I actually need to clean my van real bad. If you look at it, got all these little black marks and stuff on it, and it's dirty. I haven't cleaned my van probably over a year. So go home, clean it up real good, clean it, and I'll get it up to it. Good up the top. But like always, man, take pride in what you do, man. Do what you gotta do. And on that note, man, like always, one love and peace. And we're gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Alright, y'all, peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique, it's fucking awesome. The man behind the camera is the fucking man on the
Here go, man with the plan, baby.
Man with the plan, baby.